Good morning, boys and girls. So, today we're going to do lesson 5.12 number pairs for 10, and we are still learning addition. Okay, so everybody, please do not forget to practice counting to 100s by ones, fives, and tens because when we come back to school, we will start doing our assessments and inducting our members into the 100 club, which is so exciting because they're going to get their picture put out in the hallway and it's going to be so awesome. And the kids are going to be so excited and I'm excited. Okay, so today we're learning about number pairs for 10. And in the last two videos, I had a little bit of trouble with the slideshow, not showing all the cubes and numbers correctly. And I think it was because I was using full screen. So I think if I use half a screen, that it's not going to not show all the cubes and stuff. So we're going to try it this way. So here's our beginning of our slideshow. So our essential question is...
How can you model and write addition sentences for number pairs for sums of 10?
Hi there! Roberto and I saw a worker putting bananas on the snack table. Roberto heard that there will be 10 children here for snack time. I bet they're hungry. Click the bananas to find out what else there is for snacks. Roberto says the snack is a banana or an apple. The worker put 6 bananas on the table. The rest of the children will eat apples. How many apples will they need so that every child has a snack? I want to find out. Let's learn more about number pairs for 10.
Kathy has a 10-cube train. Some cubes are blue and some are red. Let's see how many blue cubes and how many red cubes Kathy has. Click to count the blue cubes.
Okay, so we're going to click and we're going to count the blue cubes. Everybody count with us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kathy has 8 blue cubes. Let's see how many red cubes Kathy has. Click to count the red cubes. 1, 2. Kathy has 2 red cubes. Kathy used the number pair 8 and 2 to make 10. Let's read the addition sentence that shows this number pair for 10. 10 cubes is equal to 8 cubes plus 2 cubes. Lisa has a 10-cube train with 4 red cubes and 6 blue cubes. Drag 4 red cubes to the cube train to show Lisa's red cubes.
Okay, so we're going to drag 4 red cubes to the cube train. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to click check.
Good job! You put 4 red cubes on Lisa's cube train. Now drag 6 blue cubes to the cube train to show Lisa's blue cubes.
Okay, now we're going to drag the blue cubes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then click check.
Good job! You put 6 blue cubes on Lisa's cube train. Let's complete the addition sentence to show this number pair for 10. How many red cubes are on Lisa's cube train? Select the number that shows how many red cubes Lisa has.
Okay, so the first number is going to show how many red cubes are in the cube train. So let's count together. Ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to click the number 4.
Good job! Lisa has 4 red cubes. Now, how many blue cubes are on Lisa's cube train? Select the number that shows how many blue cubes Lisa has.
Okay, now we're going to count the blue cubes and select the number. Ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to click the number 6.
Good job! Lisa has 6 blue cubes. 10 cubes is equal to 4 red cubes plus 6 blue cubes. Now let's practice. Now
Hi, today we're going to be working on a new math puzzle.
Ta-da! Hello, Mrs. Sandoval. This sounds like a job for Wonder Genie.
What are you doing, Jeannie?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
I'm not Genie. I'm Wonder Genie.
Okay, Wonder Genie, can we do a math puzzle now?
Yes, of course.
Okay, here we go. Ready? How can we use one 10-cube train to find another way to make 10?
Oh, I wonder.
Well, let's see. We have a 10-cube train here. Notice we have 1, 2, 3, 3 cubes that are red. And how many are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blue cubes.
7 blue cubes.
Now remember, we have a 10-cube train, which is equal to our 3 red cubes plus our 7 blue cubes.
I was wondering about that.
Now, can you find another way to make 10? Well, one thing we can do is just switch the red cubes and the blue cubes, just like this. So we're going to place the blue cubes first
Okay.
and the red cubes second.
Excellent.
So we still have 10 cubes, but now we have on this side 7 blue cubes and on this side 3 red cubes. So 7 plus our 3 red cubes, that is still 10. So even if you change the order, we can still make the same number.
We did it, Mrs. Sandoval. Puzzle solved. Wait. My wonder senses have got me wondering again what will be our next math puzzle. So I must be on my way.
Well, Wonder Genie, if you're in such a hurry, why don't you fly?
Well, flying will mess up my beautiful hair. You know, superheroes should always look their best. So, I think I'll just walk.
Okay, Wonder Genie, we'll see you next time for some more fun with math.
That's right. I could fly if I wanted to.
Yeah.
I just don't want to.
Okay, everyone, now it's time for our worksheet. Everyone, make sure that you have your blue and your red crayon ready and a pencil. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start off. This is our lesson 5.12, number pairs for 10 worksheet. And again, our essential question for this lesson is, how can you model and write addition sentences for number pairs for sums of 10? All right, everybody. So down below, we have a cube train. And we have the addition sentence, 10 equals 9 plus 1. So what we're going to do first is we are going to get our crayons and we're going to color the cube train to match our addition sentence. Okay, so first, let's look at this first number. Everyone, what is this number? Yes, this is the number 9. So get your blue crayon and we're going to color 9 of the cubes blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and the second number tells us how many we're going to color red. How many cubes are we going to color red? Yes, 1. So everybody color 1 cube red. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to finish this addition sentence. So it says 10, trace your equal. How many are blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Trace your 9. Trace your plus sign. And how many are red? Yes, 1. So trace your 1. So our addition sentence reads 10 equals 9 plus 1. Read this addition sentence with me. Ready, set, read. 10 equals 9 plus 1. Good job. Okay, flip your paper over to the other side. All right, everybody, for this one, Miss Janelle is going to use cubes up at the top, and then you're going to write in the numbers. Okay, so our first addition sentence says, it's done for us, so it says 10, trace your equal, 1 plus 9. So, how many blue cubes am I going to have? Yes, 1. And how many are going to be red? 9. Very good. Here's 8. Okay, let's see if our cube train is correct. Okay, so there's 1 blue and there should be 9 red. So let's count the red. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. So 10 equals 1 plus 9. Okay, let's go on to number 2. Okay, I'm going to change this cube train to look like this. Okay, so with your pencil, it says 10. Now trace your equal. All right, how many of our cubes are blue? Let's count. 1, 2. Good job. So this first number is going to be 2. Trace your plus. Now let's count the red cubes. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many red cubes? 8. So you're going to write the number 8 in this next blank. So if we have 2 blue cubes and 8 red, let's count and see how many we have all together. Ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our addition sentence reads 10 equals 2 plus 8. All right, now we're going to change it again for the next problem. Okay, for number 3, 10, trace your equal. All right, the first blank is going to be how many blue? Let's count the blue cubes. Ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 blue cubes, so you're going to write the number 3 in the blank. Trace your plus. Now we're going to count the red. Ready, set, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many red? Yes, 7. So in this blank, you're going to write the number 7. So if we have 3 blue cubes and 7 red cubes, let's count, see how many we have all together. Ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our addition sentence reads 10 equals 3 plus 7. Okay, for this next one, I want you to try doing it by yourself, and then we'll go back and check your answer. Okay, so let's look at number 4, and here is the cube train up at the top. Okay, so we have 10. Trace your equal sign. This first blank is going to be the number of blue. So I'm going to point to the blue and you count. Ready, set, go. So write the answer here, how many blue. Then you're going to trace your plus sign. Now this blank right here is going to be how many red. So when I point to the red cubes, you count. Ready, set, go. Okay, now you're going to write the number of red cubes in this blank. Okay, now let's see if you were correct. Okay, first you counted the blue. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue. So you should have wrote the number 4 in the first blank. So if you got something different, erase it and fix it. All right, now let's count the red cubes. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 red cubes. So in this blank, you should have wrote the number 6. If you got something different, then go ahead and fix it. Okay, everybody, so if we have 4 blue cubes plus 6 red cubes, let's count, see how many we have all together. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our addition sentence reads 10 equals 4 plus 6. Good job. All right, now let's go on to the next page. All right, your next page looks like this. Okay, we're going to do this the same way. Let's do the first one together. We're just going to keep on going like we were. I'm going to add a blue. Okay, for the next addition problem, let's do this first one together. Okay, we're going to trace our equals. The first blank shows the number of blue. So let's count the blue. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this first number should be the number 5. Okay. Now trace your plus. Now this box is going to be the number of red. So everybody count the red. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you got the number 5 again. So if we have 5 blue cubes and 5 red cubes, how many do we have all together? Let's start at the beginning and count. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our addition sentence reads 10 equals 5 plus 5. Okay, here's the next one. You're going to do this one on your own. Okay, so we have blue cubes and red cubes. For number 6, you're going to write the first number here. I'm going to point to the cubes while you count. Ready, set, go. Okay, write that number here. Trace your plus. Now count the number of red. Ready, set, go. Okay, and write your answer here. All right, good job. Okay, for the next one. Okay, this will be for number 7. For number 7, trace your equal. All right, get ready to write your first number. I'm going to count to the cubes. I'm going to point to the cubes as you count. Ready, set, count. Okay, write that number in the first box. Trace your plus. Now in this blank, write your second number. Ready, set, count. Okay, you're going to write that number here. All right, for the very last one on this side. All right, number 8. 10. Trace your equals. All right, count how many blue. It goes here in this blank. Ready, set, count. Okay, write that number in the first blank. Trace your plus. Now, count these, the red, and put in this next blank. Ready, set, go. And write that number here. Okay, if you happen to be behind or anything, then you can get your parents to rewind this video a little bit, and you can pause in between problems to get caught up. But if not, let's move right along to the back side. Okay, looking up at the top at number 9, where you see a seashell. Okay, listen to this addition problem. There are 10 children in the cafeteria. 10 of them are drinking water. How many of the children are drinking milk? Complete the addition sentence to show the number pair. Okay, so there are 10 children in the cafeteria. So I'm going to just draw circles to show the children. We're going to pretend like they're counters. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I always go back and check and make sure I have drawn enough, or if I've drew too many. So I've just got to have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 circles to represent 10 children in the cafeteria. All right, so it says 10 of them are drinking water. Okay, so what I'm going to do, instead of like drawing water, I'm going to write the letter that water begins with on each one that's drinking water. Now, everybody think for a minute, what sound do you hear at the beginning of water? Water. We hear W. And what letter says W? W. So it says 10 are drinking water, so I'm going to write W for water on 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then the rest are drinking milk. So if we have 10 children in the cafeteria, how many are drinking water? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 we're drinking water. So in this blank, you're going to write 10. Okay, trace your plus. Now how many are drinking milk? Yes, 0 are drinking milk. So no children are drinking milk. They're all drinking water in the cafeteria. So let's go back and read our addition sentence. 10 equals 10 plus 0. Awesome. All right, number 10. Number 10 says, draw to show what you know about a different number pair for 10 and complete the addition sentence. So let's do this. I'm going to get my blue and my red crayons again. First, I'm going to draw it with pencil because I don't want to mess up. So let's draw 10 circles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to go back and check myself because sometimes we do not draw enough or draw too many. So let's go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 circles. Okay, so let's say that we have 10 counters. I'm going to color, let's see, 4. Let's do 4. 1, color 4 in blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, everybody color 4 of the circles blue. Okay, let's color the rest of them red. Okay, now down below, I want you to complete this addition sentence by yourself. And when I get your packet back, I'm going to check it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to count your number of blue, write it in the blank, trace your plus sign. Then you're going to count your number of red, write it in the second blank. If you need to pause this while you finish that, then go ahead. If not, you can go ahead and complete your homework paper now, or you can come back and do it later. So this is going to be your homework paper. You're just going to come up with 4 different ways to make 10. And then on the back, you're going to finish the back. And for this one, this is just an addition sentence. You're going to write the number of gray here, the number of white here. And right here, what you're going to do is you're going to count the dots in the 10 frame and write the number in the blank. Very simple. And then down at the bottom, use red and blue to color the cubes to show a way to make 10. So you can do anything you want to. You could do 1 blue, the rest red. You could do 9 blue, 1 red. You could do it like that, any way you want to. So this is whatever way you want to color it. But you got to color it with blue and red. All right, everybody, that's it for today. Make sure you put your papers in your packet and return it when we come back to school. And make sure that you like this video and comment down below so that you can be entered in our drawing. I will see everyone later. Miss you so much. Bye-bye.